Hey everyone, it's Roota Mittal here. Today I have Junaid with me, who is a Marketing Accelerator student. So Junaid, tell us how much income you are making with Marketing Accelerator and like how many clients are you working with currently?
Right now, I'm making around $2,500, okay, per month. Okay, I have been into the course almost like I believe 5 to 6 months,
Mhm.
and I'm handling around 5 clients.
Mhm.
So altogether, I'm making $2,500 monthly.
Okay, great. And what were you doing before getting into the course? What was your situation like career-wise and income-wise?
Sure. So, before joining the MA course, I was working into a call center. Okay, and I was at an executive level over there. I was taking a calls, and there was no growth opportunity, to be very honest. And in terms of income, also there was no much growth. Okay, so I was earning somewhere 32,000 a month over there. Okay, so then I started working as a freelancer on Upwork. I was working as a executive level only on Upwork also. Okay, but again, on Upwork there was, I used to not get much clients. Okay, and there was a lot of reduction which used to happen. I was not happy with that.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I came across your webinar on Facebook. Probably I've seen the ad. Okay, so I was very much keen and interested in joining your course. So then I made the decision, and then after which all changed. I implemented the course. Okay, so it helped me in many different ways. Like I was able to upgrade my skills. Okay, in terms of I would say the digital marketing, the Facebook skill which we have. Okay, so I was able to get my price which I was looking for, and I was very much happy. So this is my current situation right now.
Okay. So you went from being in a job, in a BPO job, making 32K and not being happy to trying to become a freelancer on Upwork to currently making 2,500 USD or 1.67 lakhs if we count in Indian currency. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right, absolutely.
That's awesome. So, what do you think is like the best couple of pieces of content in marketing
Mhm.
accelerator? Like I know you need the entire course for being successful, but like what are the couple of pieces of content or modules that have really helped you, which you were struggling before and which have helped you right now?
Sure. So for me, definitely the entire course is good. Okay, yeah, but like the mindset module, okay, and another one is get clients. Okay, because see what happens, the course has been given by most of the people. Okay, so but no one covers your mindset module, because see, if you don't have a right mindset, okay, whatever I do, I learn everything, but I won't able to achieve my goals. Okay, which has been taught in the mindset module. You should have your dreams and everything. So that is something has motivated me a lot, that module. And the second one is get clients. Okay, because get client is something where you will learn each and everything, how to get the clients. Okay, how to approach them, how to send a contract. Okay, which I believe, okay, no other institute teaches that. They just tell you that you will get a client. Okay, but no one teaches. To be very honest with you, before joining your course, I have done a small digital marketing course. I've spent 10,000. Okay, so it was a waste of money for me. They have given me the just basic information about the Facebook ads. Okay, and I was in the what we say assumption that that is all about. But when I joined your course, it was huge, it was deep. It was actual the Facebook which I have learned, and they have not taught me about how to get clients. Okay, all those things. So I really appreciate that. These two modules have helped me a lot. Okay, whenever I feel low. Okay, so that mindset model plays an important role for me.
Yeah, I love what you said about that. You did another course and they just taught you like basic skills, but did not teach how to monetize those skills or how to get clients, how to talk to them, how to get the proposals and contracts sorted, because that is important. Like everyone wants to become a freelancer to make money, not to just gain skills or
Right.
to just gain knowledge. Like if the knowledge cannot be used or cannot be leveraged or cannot be monetized, then there's no use in learning skills. So it has to be a right mix of foundational and practical skills plus client attraction methods that can get you income, and not just one time but consistently, like you have been able to replicate with 5 clients right now. So you can trust yourself that, oh, I'm going to be able to, even if some of these clients leave or don't renew after a few months, I'm going to be able to duplicate that success again and again, because in the course we have taught you how to fish and not given you the fish. So like so many people message me
Yes.
on Instagram saying, why is the course so expensive? And like give us a discount and all of that. But the thing is, the course teaches you how to fish forever, like month after month after month, like which is what the worth of the course reflects.
Absolutely right. Yeah. Just to add up over here, I mean, initially I also, I mean, was in the same situation. I found it's too costly. I mean, to
Yeah,
be very honest. But I mean, right now I will say, I mean, it's not. I mean, definitely it's a value for money. Okay. I mean, whatever I'm spending right now on the course, okay, you will earn like 5 times, 10 times more than that. Okay.
yeah,
So it's value for money.
yeah. Yeah, your people make the money they invest back in 1, 2, 3 months. Some take even longer, but once you make back that money, everything else, those skills, that confidence, how to do sales, all of that is with you forever. And that gives keeps giving you like a return on investment again and again. And that's what matters.
Yes. Agree.
Yeah. Um, So, how was your first client experience, like doing discovery calls and landing the client? How was the first client, paid client experience like for you?
Right. Yeah. I mean, for the first client, I was been a bit nervous. Okay. I mean, before going on a discovery call, I mean, I went back to the module again. Okay. I did my homework. Okay, so that I will be confident in the call. Okay. Yeah, I was a bit nervous. Yeah, but I mean, once I did my homework again, and then I was quite okay and confident. I mean, I was able to pitch that client. Okay, and then I took him further. I sent him the proposal and everything. Okay, so it went smoothly after that. I mean, down the line, as and when, I mean, I keep doing calls, and it becomes very much easy and comfortable. Yeah, so but at any point of time, if I feel what we say, the demotivated, or if I feel low, like whether, I mean, I will be able to do this call or not, or what the client will say, I always go back to the modules and I just brush up myself.
Yeah, yeah, that's great. And you guys also have like lifetime access to the course, so you can keep doing it whenever you want to refer it or refer to the updates we do to keep yourself updated with everything.
Yes.
So, Junaid, what challenges did you face in your freelancing journey in making this income that you're making? What were the challenges and how did you overcome them? Just to give some inspiration and motivation to people who might be thinking of it, but just wondering, can I do this? Is this for me? What if I fail? And all of that.
Sure. So, I mean, the most important challenge for me was like money, okay, to be very honest, because I mean, I was not happy with what I was getting in my previous job and in my previous freelancing, which I was doing on Upwork. Okay.
Mhm.
So I was looking, I mean, a good income, okay, which I can earn, and I can be my own boss, okay, where I don't have to report to anyone, okay, where I can work at any point of time and I can ask for my money which I'm looking for.
Yeah,
So those are the main challenges which I faced. And I mean, before joining the course, okay, since I am from the commerce background, I was not having any knowledge about the digital marketing and Facebook ads. So I
yeah.
was skeptical that whether I will be able to do this or not. I mean, but
Mhm.
the way it has been explained in the course, I mean, even a layman comes up tomorrow, he will be able to understand that. Okay, so I mean, I was, I mean, very much happy and very much comfortable when I went through the course. And I mean, I was able to apply each and everything which was been taught in the course. And because, see, I mean, once you learn, once you apply, then only you will be able to achieve that success, okay, which I was able to overcome, and right now I'm able to do it.
Yeah. So people think that, oh, I'm gonna, like, you're gonna have like a magical realization that you're gonna be successful or not without even trying. But that's not how life works. And if any one of you guys who are listening who maybe are not happy at a job or want to do something more, just like Junaid was, then you know that you have to try something new. You have to try a proven process rather than figuring it out yourself. So, Junaid, do you think you would have been able to do this on your own? Suppose like someone is very smart, can they do it? Or maybe they would have taken some more time than ever. So, what do you think about that? Can this be done on your own without
No.
guidance?
Well, what I see is that, I mean, if you do on own, you won't get the proper guideline where you're going. Okay, because see, on YouTube there are many I will say free content available. Okay, for running the Facebook ads, everything. But see, that information you don't know how to apply. Okay, and you are not sure whether you are getting the right information or not, because there are many fake gurus over there. Okay, so you need a proper mentor. Okay, who can guide you, okay, where to go, what to do exactly. As I rightly said, I have done the course in the past, okay, for 10K, which I've spent, but they didn't guide me how to get the clients, okay, how to talk to them. Okay, so there are, I mean, the mindset module which we talk about. So no one will teach you either on the free course, or I believe even if you pay 10K, 20K. So this is all about.
Yeah, that's what. And even if you are able, like you're super smart, you are great at Googling, and you are able to figure everything out, but like at what cost? Like how much time will you waste? How much energy will you waste? You will have to fail so much more, because I have failed so much more to actually, share my journey, go through that journey, be successful, and then share that journey with you guys. So, like, why not save time and invest in a proven blueprint with which like people like Junaid have done and like have gotten success from it. But here's the thing, like if you expect magical results, it's not gonna happen. You have to take the course to heart and implement it every single day, especially when you get stuck, especially when your discovery calls are not getting converted, and you have to keep going. Um, Junaid, any last words for people who are like on the fence about MA, like still not sure or anything? What do you think your thoughts are on that?
Yeah, I will tell them that, just instead of spending money at any other course, or you are looking to do it on yourself, okay, just don't look back. Okay, and just invest the money in the MA course, because my personal experience is that I have achieved whatever I wanted. Okay, because see, down the line, I know I will be earning much more. Okay, so every penny spent on this course is worth. Okay, you will be able to get 10x return on that. Okay, and you should, not invest your money at any other courses, because I tell you, okay, right now itself, okay, you can take my words, you won't learn all those things which has been taught over here, especially the get clients and the mindset module. So just go ahead and enroll into this.
Awesome. And like, guys, whatever interviews I do, this is the same answer, like mindset module, get clients module. So you see how important it is for the success. Like people think, oh, Facebook ads, I can learn anywhere. Yes, Facebook ads, you can learn anywhere. But what will you do if your like ad account gets banned, or the client tells you that what is the specific strategy, or if changes are happening, how do you deal with that? So you need someone who is working day in and day out in the industry to guide you. And as Junaid said, mindset is so important, so foundational. It will make or break your success. So if you guys are hoping to get MA, you can click the link in the description and or comment below if you have any questions. And I hope to see you guys inside. Also comment below and let Junaid know if his story is inspiring, if you learned something new today. Junaid, I hope that you achieve more wins. We are coming out with more awards for you guys,
Sure.
so you can hit those milestones and apply for that, and we would love to reward you when you do that.
Thank you so much. That sounds good. Good luck to everyone.
Okay, thanks so much,
Yeah,
Junaid.
yeah,
Bye.
thank you so much. Yeah.